Hey there, welcome back. So in this video, we will check out classes in a greater detail. In our last video, we have added this class hello, and we have also added this class cars, and there is a getter and a setter method for speed, right? So now moving forward, we will generate the getter and setter method for all of these three remaining properties, and the way of doing so is pretty simple. We will navigate to this car class, highlight this class, right click, navigate to source, and click on this option generate getters and setters. Now Eclipse will code for us, which is amazing, and as soon as we select all of these three checkboxes and click on OK, then all the getters and setters for these properties would be generated, which is perfect, right? So now moving forward, we can definitely set the values of these four private entity, right? So this is amazing. Now let us get rid of these two statements and let's play with one of the property. Let us select the doors property. So moving forward, first of all, let us set the value of doors. So we will type in car dot set doors and we will set the value as closed. So whenever we would like to run the car, the door should be closed. So this is good. And moving forward, we will simply type in system.out.println and we will try to check whether the get doors method is working properly or not. So we will type in car dot get doors, and I suppose everything should be working properly. So this is the overall functionality, how we can create a object and how we can get a value and set a value, and this is the overall mechanism how objects are made used and how we create a custom class. So this is overall idea, but definitely there are more things to it. Now friends, if we check this car class, then we have these four properties. We have getters and setters. We are able to get the values, we are able to set the values, which is okay. But what about functionality? So in here we don't have any functionality of a car, we are not able to run the car, right? So in our next video we will add in yet another method which will add the functionality to this particular object, and we would be able to run the car programmatically, and then that would be giving us a proper understanding of a object and how objects can depict a real life object. So this is it for today's video. In our next video we will add a interesting method, which is the run method.